Hello. Welcome back to the Random Fandom, and welcome back to on the show, on the shelf, not the shoe, the shelf. I'm your host, Ravenwood, and this is a different. This is just different. What is it? Who is he? Why is he here? Okay, so what this is Ratchet, right? This guy. And I was just messing around, honestly. You can tell how bored I am. But this is Swindler, right? And this is Road Handler. And I know I said in the Ratchet video that would probably be the last time I would show them Elf in the video. But this will be the last time I show you all what this is. So yeah, this is a thing. I'll rotate them so you can look around. Now I'm not going. Well, I might show you how I did it. But when I put him in position and whatnot, right? I'll add something to make his feet more balanced, because this can be a bit problematic when it comes to balance, right? But there's an easy way to fix that. Unfortunately, I do not have an Autobot with snowshoes, or an Autobot pull them apart, put them together thing that has footwear, right? Or maybe a shield or something. I don't have anything like that. Not to my knowledge. I do have Optimus Prime's Earthrise, what do you call it? Trailer, which you could probably put them on. I'm not gonna try it now. I have to go get it, put it over here, and then place it down or something. I don't know. I might do that for later video if you guys help me remember that, or if I just remember on my own. So, yeah, for Pete's sake, let me show you what I did here. Okay, so first, everything decided to fall off of this shelf. Thankfully, my hands were right here. Okay, so first, oh, shockwave. Okay, let me just take shockwaves. These things off real quick. You may or may not need them or want them. If you have Ratchet but you don't have him, it's so fine. You can still balance him with the things. But first, let me show you. Oh my gosh, I had to literally take apart shockwave here. Technically, I didn't have to do. I'll just shove them right here for right now and fix them later. I'll fix them off screen. Whew. All right, and all right. So what you do? Let's take them apart so I can show you how to do it. But I'll add the snowshoes just so it can be easier just to make them balance. Okay, right. This is him without the attachments on. Okay, but see, it's a struggle to get them balanced. Basically, you have to pivot the feet at a certain angle if you wanted to balance. Okay, so what I did was basically yada. Okay, so basically, you're untransforming him from his vehicle mode, right? So you swing. Not certain if I you don't do that. You struggle, yes. So what I did was I detached these guys. Okay, detached his arms. Swivel it like this. Unswivel. Rotate. Just swivel it over his head like that. Same with this arm. And then gotta move his arm like that. Around like that. See? So it's gotta look like that, right? Roughly. Then you're gonna move his leg. Right? I forgot how I did this. Okay, so you move his leg just to the side like that. Same thing. To where everything else is facing like that, right? And then you open like this. So, hold on. Oh, wait. You gotta move it. Okay, correction. Here's some few corrections. You gotta move his entire body, rotate like that. Okay? I'm starting to think I forgot how I did this. I might have forgotten how I did this. Wait, hold on. What? I forgot how I did this, but the idea is that hold on. Okay, hold on. Things are coming together now. Things are coming together now. Wait. Okay. Things are coming together, I say. Okay. It has to be bent like this. You have to move around the hips a lot, as you could tell. Maybe I might make a better barricade. Okay, so basically, essentially, you get something that looks a little bit like this. Maybe I'll make a better version. You gotta twist. I'm starting to think I'm making a better version. Well, here we go. Okay, wait, hold on. There we go. Okay. So everything folds down over like that, and then everything starts to fight you at first. But basically, yeah, okay. Then, when this is said and done, this is probably a better version of what I had initially made. By the looks of it. Okay. But these are supposed to be open out. So that you can place stuff there, I guess. These are supposed to be open out like that, right? Okay. Let's do some more maneuvering. And for the balance, you want to make sure that the shoes or the feet are angled like that. Okay, I'm already 10 minutes in just trying to move things around. But basically, there's that, right? And make sure that this is close as possible, like that, right? Now, why did I mention snowshoes earlier? Now, I don't know how I got the arms into their position, but basically, yeah, you could still attach the mini bots or mini cons. Swing the arm around. Now this, remember, this needs to be popped up. This also needs to be popped up so that you can also attach other devices to it. Okay, and then you swing the, not the entire arm, the hand, just the hand. But you have to make sure it's popped into place and then you swing it around. Or you can just swing the arm around first and then pop it into its arm. Now, this is the part where this here gets a little weird. You have to balance it out to where he can sit upright. Therefore, by doing so, you'll get this weird amalgamation. Now for the snowshoes, shockwaves shoes. This, you attach it to his feet like that. Do the same on the other side. Just so you can get him bounced. And then you just mess it around until you get him bounced, just like that. Now this, you can attach to the back, and it goes right over. Voila. Now he's a barricade that can attack, fight back. You know, he's some sort of barricade, a right barricade of sorts. It even works when you put, like, it's Optimus Prime height, right? Well, Optimus Prime just knocked his buddy over. So you can put Optimus Prime, he's squatching, you know, about to snipe someone with, snipe with his weird rocket launcher I made for him, but that would be covered in a later video. And you could put him right here, or right here, right? And so now Optimus Prime can't get hit by stray bullets. Okay? He doesn't need the snowshoes are supposed to be for balance. He doesn't need his shield. Although I highly advise just to keep it on there. You can barely see Optimus Prime, but he's supposed to be positioned. You see that he's positioned like this? So you just put him behind the barricade and then just prop him however you want. Put him as close as possible to Ratchet so he be shielded by Ratchet. Now Ratchet is personal barricade. But putting Optimus Prime back onto the shelf, I'll reposition him later. Okay, he's falling over, but whatever. I'll put him back properly. But yeah, here's Ratchet. This is the end of the episode. Bye bye. I have no idea why I do these things. Why I just mess around with toys. But this is a thing you can do with the figure. either adds or takes away. That's, I don't know. You do something with it. You can add a little stuff to the ports, by the way, that I was trying to point out. You know, you can make him a super barricade with a lot of weapons on the side, or riot barricade or whatever. But, you know, this is just one way to arm him up and whatnot. And so, yeah, like this video, dislike this video, all that other jazz. See y'all in the next episode. Bye-bye.